Start by locating the Play Store on the Android tablet and then press on it. Now we are going to find the search bar, normally at the top, and press on it. Then type Zoom and press Enter. A few different apps will appear that have Zoom in the title, but you want the one called Zoom Cloud Meetings. Press on that. Next, press on the Install button. We will now wait for the Zoom app to download and then install to the tablet. Once it has finished installing, press on the Home button to go to the home screen. Now locate the Zoom application that was downloaded and press on it. You now have Zoom running on your tablet.